only thing left is take these parts off this base and match the whole battery, and then paint this one and assemble it. I'm also thinking about building a guard over here to collect metal shaving. It's very flat. About that. I bought this chop saw a few years back. It was brand new, but it been dropped and the frame was damaged on it. I got good deal on it. It came with other tools. I built a new frame for it out of 2x2 angles, and I made sure to space it above the ground 4 inches so it's easy to find another object while you're cutting metal, so it will be level. You can't use carbide cutting blades
with regular abrasive chop saw, because the abrasive chop saw they designed to run 3500 RPM, and that will ruin this blade. These designed to run between 1200 and 1400 RPM, and that's what this saw designed to do. It run at 1300 RPM. It's perfect. I made over 1,000 cut with it, and it served me well so far. The idea is, while you're cutting, you don't need to apply too much pressure on the metal that you cut. You need to go slowly, let the blade or the carbide do its job. When I build this frame, I maintain the same hole pattern and this slot, so I could adjust and set this at an angle. I could cut between 0 to 45 degrees with it. The frame was very easy to manufacture. I just used some 2x2 angles and some flat stock over here. This is 2x2 angle, and I welded a flat stock. I believe it's half-inch flat stock. I welded it here to the angle. It's made like a T shape, so the disc will be away from the angle from inside. I even removed the guard. This will contain any flying pieces inside it. It's very important to use full face shield while you're operating this, because there is a risk of the carbide may break and they will fly and hurt you, or when you cut this piece it may become airborne and it will hurt you. So make sure you wear full face shield and hearing protection, because it's very loud. And the cut usually is cold. It's not like the abrasive disc where it leaves hot surface. Another tip, do not stop the saw while it's engaged in the metal. That will also lead to break the carbide or break the disc. So make sure you stop after you disengage the disc from the cutting surface.